Dogecoin value equivalent to 3.574 rands a coin. The present cost range 320 to 935. The earlier day close 687. The change was 113, 330%. Backwards rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at 641 rands. Excessive cost 641, while low cost 536. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 599. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 576. Change for August 1%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2024. Before all else cost at 576 rands. Exorbitant cost 651, while low cost 565. The found the middle value of cost 6. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 608. Change for September 5.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 6 rands. Exorbitant cost 754, while low cost 608. The found the middle value of cost 669. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 705. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 705 rands. Excessive cost 817, while low cost 705. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 748. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 764. Change for November 84%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 764 rands. Excessive cost 797, while low cost 693. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 750. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 745. Change for December 25%. Dogecoin figure for January 2025. To start with, cost at 745 rands. Exorbitant cost 745, while low cost 602. The found the middle value of cost 685. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 647. Change for January 13.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. To start with, cost at 647 rands. Exorbitant cost 770, while low cost 647. The found the middle value of cost 696. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 710. Change for February 11.3%. Dogecoin estimate for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 720 rands. Exorbitant cost 720, while low cost 591. The found the middle value of cost 667. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 635. Change for spring 11.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 635 rands. Exorbitant cost 660, while low cost 574. The found the middle value of cost 622. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 617. Change for April 28%. Dogecoin estimate for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 617 rands. Exorbitant cost 701, while low cost 609. The found the middle value of cost 646. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 655. Change for May 62%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 655 rands. Exorbitant cost 655, while low cost 565. The found the middle value of cost 621. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 608. Change for June 72%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 608 rands. Exorbitant cost 608, while low cost 508. The found the middle value of cost 568. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 546. Change for July 10.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 546 rands. Exorbitant cost 677, while low cost 546. The found the middle value of cost 601. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 633. Change for August 15.9%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 633 rands. Exorbitant cost 688, while low cost 598. The found the middle value of cost 641. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 643. Change for September 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 643 rands. Exorbitant cost 699, while low cost 607. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 651. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 653, change for October 16%. Dogecoin figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at 653 rands. Excessive cost 810, while low cost 653. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 718. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 757, change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at 757 rands. Excessive cost 863, while low cost 751. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 795. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 807, change for December 6%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 807 rands. Exorbitant cost 87, while low cost 697. The found the middle value of cost 765. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 749, change for January 72%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 749 rands. Exorbitant cost 839, while low cost 729. The found the middle value of cost 775. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 784, change for February 7%. Dogecoin conjecture for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at 784 rands. Excessive cost 853, while low cost 741. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 794. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 797, change for spring 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at 797 rands. Excessive cost 867, while low cost 753. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 807. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 810, change for April 16%. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2026. Initially cost at 810 rands. Excessive cost 866, while low cost 752. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 809. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 809, change for May's 0.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at 809 rands. Exorbitant cost 850, while low cost 738. The found the middle value of cost 798. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 794, change for June 19%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2026. To start with cost at 794 rands. Exorbitant cost 804, while low cost 698. I found the middle value of cost 762. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 751, change for July 4%. Dogecoin cost expectation